Aiktian jaka BGP UM kharkrang hakasni paleu laong baka Women Reservation Act kaan ke babu jaka kyrpang kynthei kedi kaan ke bakrau baka badan kejing penyai haka histori. Ulapan pau baki sorkar ki bamun chua ki penan kami kejing kynthei ki kynthei tangkum ka ketian jo yalap election kat baka sorkar pereng kaba yalam dak BGP pat kalapen shisha baka ni kabil kan pen kelalong kap an. Ukhakrang laban rabru baki sorkar barim kim shim lala ban le halor kani kabil wada pereng kijin kular babun sim.
BJP believes that if India has to be a Viksit Bharat, it has to be the combined efforts of everyone, the youths and especially the females. They hold a lot of stake, and this is the best way. Of course, earlier they have done the Panchayat, all the Panchayats have got reservations, and now this is another next step forward. And we hope to see by 29 MP elections, we'll have 33% for the win.
So, Meghalaya being a matrilineal society and
but how many MLAs we have? How many representatives we have? It's 2, 3 at the most, not no more than that. So by passing of this act, it becomes mandatory, and because having women legislators, it helps to build up better policies for that state. I believe in that, because they will be in better position to know and better position to give their their opinion on various legislations and various acts and laws for the country.
Thank you.